Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. We are still looking at logarithmic equation. Today we still have two examples. I will look at them quickly. They are quite different from the last examples we did in our previous video. So let's see how we can approach them. The first question says, given that log p is log 4 to base p is equals to s and log 5 to base p is equals to y. Find log 100 to base p in terms of x and y. So all we need to do is to try and express log 100 to base p in terms of log 4 to base p and log 5 to base p. So I'll try to look for multiples, numbers that can multiply 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Try to express 100 in terms of product or division of 4 and 5. Okay, so that's what we'll try and do. So I know that 4 times 25 will give me 100. 4 times 25 will give me 100. So I can write this as log to base p, and here I put 4 times 25. 25 is the same thing as 5 squared. Okay, so I haven't changed anything. 4 times 25 is still 100, but I'm trying to make this look like what I was given. Okay, so we can break this using our laws of logarithm. So if we have log a b times c, we can separate them by saying this log AB plus log AC, right? From the laws of logarithm. So we can separate this and say this is log P4 plus log P5 raised to the power of 2. And then from the law that says if you have log ABC, you can write this as C log AB. Okay, the third one can just come to the back and multiply. So this can go, and so we have this becomes log P like this, plus this is 2 times log 5 to base p. Think that is taken. So the 2 comes here, and then we have this. Now we can express log 100 to base p in terms of x. Remember that log p4 is x, so here becomes x plus 2 log p5, 5 to base p is y. So log 100 to base p is equals to s plus 2y. Okay, quite easy. So let's use this knowledge also to solve that problem. These are kinds of problems you see in any typical exams. So we have log, given that log 3 is 0.4771 and log 5 is 0.6990, we have been asked to find log 450. So we'll start log 450. Now remember, the base of this logarithm are in base 10. The base of the logarithm are in base 10. Okay, so this can be, so we'll try to express 450 as a product or division that carries 3 and 5. So I can express this, I'll say this is 9. So I can write this as this is log 9 times 5 times 10. So 9 times 5 is 45. 45 times 10 is 450. So we haven't changed anything. So this can be written as log 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 2 plus log 5 plus log 10. So remember, the base of all these logarithms are 10. Here is 10, base 10, base 10. Good. Next, we can write this as 2 log 3. Just applying this law we use here. The c goes here. So the 2 comes here. And then we have this. Remember, the base is 10 here. Okay? And then here we have log 5 plus log 10. We are good. So we're almost done. So this gives me 2. We just substitute. Log 3 is 0.4771 plus log 5 we are given 0.6990 plus log 10 is 1. Remember the law that says log AA is equals to 1. AA is equals to 1. So this is log 10 is equals to 1. Now please don't forget, I believe you know why we are adding here, because these are multiplication. If we have division, then the sign will turn to minus. Maybe we divided by something, so the sign will turn to minus. But here we are good and it's quite straightforward. So we multiply these. This 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 7 again is 14 plus 1, 15. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And then we have 0 plus 0.6990, then plus 1. So this will give me finally 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 9 is 13, carry 1. 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 1, 15. Put down 5, carry 1. 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 1, 16. 6 carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have our final answer to be 2.6532. You can punch this with your calculator and get that result. Alright, so that is all for this question. Please don't forget to like, to follow, and to share this video. I'll see you again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.